What's up? Welcome back to Picky Garage. If you're tuning in for the first time, thanks for tuning in, checking out the channel. Here's part 2 to the garage build. I already put up part 1. We are building a pole barn, barn dominium, whatever you want to call it. This is a metal frame or a metal building. It's going to be a garage. This is 26 by 36. Sorry for the cicadas, you can really hear those things. But the trim, the metal trim is all up. You can see the color. So we went with you know what, I'll just wait to talk inside. All right, that's better. So, like I said, it's 26 by 36. We went with a tan exterior, a brown roof, and we have a cupola on top. I'll get a far away video so you guys can see the roof and what that looks like. Yeah. But yeah, everything is framed and ready to go. The next step will be the electrician will come. We'll put outlets in, put the hosing in for the air compressor, outlets for the workbench. We don't know if we're going to do it in the back corner here or in between the door, and there's going to be a window right here. There's the window right there. It needs to go in still. So they'll take the wood or the metal paneling off, cut it to fit, and then put the metal back on. So we're thinking about putting a bench here or here. There will be a split unit AC unit right there. We're going to do one lift to start, and then when more cars come, we'll probably do 2 lifts and a TV. But yeah, like I said, it's a very quick process. It's a lot quicker than a standard traditional garage. Cost varies. Some people say it's cheaper. The initial setup is a lot cheaper because it uses less wood, yes, but yeah, I'll probably make a video on why we pretty much went with a metal style garage over a traditional garage. We have a traditional detached all the way over there. But right now with COVID and all that stuff, it's, prices are outrageous. I mean, this was expensive as well, but cheaper than a traditional garage. But yeah, so we went with white outline to kind of split the tan and the brown roof. Really nice construction. It goes up super fast, which is awesome. Like I said, the electrician will come. Then after that, we will do insulation, metal. It's all going to be white. That's when the lights go in. So also we're going to have to wire for lights. We don't know if we're going to do 4-foot LEDs, LED strips, 6-foot or 8-foot, and we don't know which way we're going to run them, if we should run them this way or long ways. Trying to figure that out. The garage doors still have to go on. Insulation has to go up. The metal paneling, so this will all be white metal paneling inside. The concrete will get laid, and then after the concrete cures, we're going to do like one of those fancy garage floorings, which will be pretty neat. I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like with the metal all on. It's pretty neat when it rains. It's really loud. I don't know if any of you guys have a tin roof, but it's a really cool noise when it rains. It's really peaceful. But yeah, it's coming together pretty smoothly. If you have any suggestions for us on what you want to, what we should add to the garage, we're going to do side mount garage doors, so they go right up to the ceiling instead of your traditional ones that hang right here in the middle. So they'll be on the sides. Air compressor, we're thinking of doing an air compressor probably in the corner, and then running a hose reel and a electric reel, so you can just pull it and it automatically goes back. So I forget what they're called right now, but yeah, we're going to put them in both corners. So you can fill up air in the tires outside in the driveway, along with, you know, electric outlets, whatever you want to plug in. So we're going to do outlets, probably four outlets on each of the posts. So we have a lot of things to plug into. In the two corners, we're going to do electric outlets as well. So we can do 2 Bluetooth speakers, probably a Sonos setup. Everything's wireless these days. We don't, you know, use aux cords. You just connect Bluetooth. We don't know where we're going to put the TV, because if we put the TV here, the split unit goes right here. So where that little hole is, right down from it is where the split unit is going to go. And then from there, you know, we could have the TV here. Also know that where this line is, that's where the concrete's going to be. So concrete's going to come all the way around. So it's not going to be, you know, it's going to be a little bit shorter, but still 12-foot high ceilings. So, you know, we're going to be up a little bit. So we don't know if we want to put the TV in the back here or put the TV on this wall. And it also depends if we're going to put the bench here or here. I don't know. We got to decide, because the electrician needs to know in order to run the outlets. We're just going to do standard Wi-Fi and not worry about a cable, a TV cable down here. As we'll just, you know, you can stream Netflix, YouTube, anything like that. So all it needs is a power outlet, but we have to know if it's going to go in the middle here, power outlet in the middle there, or in the middle there. So we have to make those decisions. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. I'm going to keep making videos as the process continues. This is the second part of the build, where the initial video was just the framing, so the wooden frames, and now the metal is up, so the full metal exterior is up. Let me get a, you know, a far shot for you guys so you guys can check out what the roof looks like with the cupola. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There we go. So you can see the cupola and the brown roof. Yeah, getting a new door, we don't like this door, but it swings open instead of in, so it gives you more space. There's also going to be one window on the side there, just for aesthetic purposes. Also, there's going to be a white strip. You can kind of see where the metal isn't connecting. That's going to be a white strip going down. We also decided to go with a white strip in the middle too, to split, you know, the two things up, make it look a little bit different, give a little bit of a, you know, taste. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm pretty excited for the next steps. Happens really quick. That's what's really cool about a metal building, or a barn-dominium, whatever you want to call it, post frame building. There's so many names, but they go up pretty quick. And yeah, we're really excited with the results so far, and can't wait to get this thing done. I'll keep videos rolling along with my other videos to keep you guys updated on the build. If you have any questions about it, you can leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Or if you have any suggestions on what we need to include with the build, go ahead and leave that as well. We're going to pimp this thing out pretty crazy, you know, do it to the nines. It's going to be a really nice garage. Can't wait for it to be finished.